12 phrases to express good wishes in Amharic. መልካም ቀን መልካም ቀን have a nice day. መልካም ውሎ have a good day. መልካም ስራ have a nice work. መልካም ምሳ have a good lunch. መልካም እራት have a good dinner. መልካም ምሽት have a good evening. መልካም means by the way good, nice or kind. መልካም ማዳር have a good night. መልካም እረፍት have a good rest. መልካም ሌሊት have a good night. መልካም ጉዞ have a good trip. መልካም መንገድ have a good journey. መልካም እድል have a good luck. መልካም ጊዜ have a good time. We need to add these words to make it complete. ይሁንልህ for male singular, ይሁንልሽ for singular female, ይሁንልዎት for respect singular, ይሁንላችሁ for plural, ይሁንላችሁ. Now let us practice them. መልካም ጉዞ ይሁንልህ have a good trip. መልካም ጉዞ ይሁንልሽ have a good trip. A short dialogue. እሺ ነገ እንገናኝ. Okay, let us meet tomorrow. እሺ መልካም አዳር ይሁንልሽ. Okay, have a good night. አሜን ለሁላችንም. Amen for all of us. Do you want to learn the Amharic alphabet in short days, like 4 days? Then download this PDF. The link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more Amharic lessons. Thank you. በቀጣይ ቪዲዮ እንገናኛለን. Ciao.